Hey everyone, in this video we'll show you how to invest in gold using Robinhood. Robinhood makes it simple to buy gold as an ETF or through gold-related stocks, giving you exposure to the metal without needing to store it physically. First, open your Robinhood app and make sure your account is fully verified. Verification usually involves providing a government-issued ID and connecting your bank account. Having a verified account ensures smooth transactions when buying gold. Next, search for the gold ETF or stock you want to invest in. Robinhood supports popular gold ETFs like SPDR, gold shares, as well as gold mining companies. You can use the search bar at the top of the app to find the ticker symbol. For example, type GILD or GLD to find SPDR gold shares. Once you find the ETF or stock, click on it to open the trading page. Review the price, historical performance, and market data. Decide how much money you want to invest. Robinhood allows fractional shares, so you don't need to buy a full share if your budget is smaller. After deciding the amount, choose your order type. You can select a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to buy only when the price reaches a level you choose. Enter the investment amount and swipe up to submit your order. After the purchase is complete, the gold ETF or stock will appear in your Robinhood portfolio. You can monitor your investment, check price changes, and sell your shares whenever you want. Make sure to review fees and tax implications for your investments. Investing in gold through Robinhood is a convenient way to diversify your portfolio, hedge against inflation, and gain exposure to a valuable asset. Remember to always research the ETF or stock before investing and only invest what you can afford to hold long-term. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out our other videos for more investing tips and tutorials.